Hey, welcome to my brand new channel, Chef I Walks with You. So today, this is my brand new channel, my first official video. So I really appreciate you guys coming by, and please subscribe and like my channel, and that would be so awesome. Well, today we're gonna cook some Spam with fried rice, and it's really easy. So the main ingredient is Spam. So what else we need? We need onions, and we need some couple of eggs. We need some soy sauce. You can use the low salt, low sodium if you like, or regular soy sauce is fine. And for added taste to it, Maggi sauce is always nice, and it's optional. You can use this or not use it. And need 4 cups of rice. So I have the rice cooker. Already have the rice ready. So there's 4 cups of rice. And we need salt and pepper, and a clove of spring onions, and a little bit of diced onion. So exact measurements and ingredients, I'll just put in the link, the description below. So check it out. So I'm gonna start going, and hope you guys would enjoy me cooking on my little walk here. So it will be awesome. Okay. So I've sliced a quarter of an onion. So here it's thinly sliced. So you need to chop it a little bit. So just to make it smaller pieces of onion, like that. And you can see the onions nicely diced now. So later on we can cook this onion and make it nice and brown for the white rice. Well, we're gonna use 1 stick of spring onion. So this will go in at the end of our finished product. So all we do is just slice it really small. And at the end, this really adds flavor, because actually you don't really cook this spring onion. You would just toss it in and just stir fry it just for 30 seconds before you serve up your fried rice. And this will give it a special aroma that tastes really good. Awesome. Well, here's the Spam. This is the main ingredient of our fried rice, and this is really yummy, my favorite. And this makes my day when I cook it. So I'm gonna open this, and I'll just use half of it today. So we'll just take half, and there we go. That's about half. This back here and on the side. So what we do here is depends. I like it a little bit larger chunks, so you have a better taste with the fried rice. So there's like 4 big pieces of Spam here. So we're just gonna chop it in little chunks. There we go. Well, so we need the sauces. So this low sodium soy sauce, I use 1 tablespoon. So I'll just pre-measure. So there's 1 tablespoon for here. And Maggi sauce is optional, so it's up to you. So I'll just use half a teaspoon. Maggi sauce always goes in the last step before the spring onions. Well, so we'll prepare 2 eggs for the fried rice. So we just beat this up. You don't have to really beat it up, just make sure it's just mixed together. something like that. good enough. Okay. Well, we gotta get the wok going. So Chef I gets this wok going. Yes, the fire's going, nice and warm, and good on wok. So let the wok heat up. Just wait a little bit. When you see a little bit of smoke, you're ready. It tells you you're ready to go. So this wok, it's a steel wok, so I always keep it oiled up, so it'll be always ready for me. So you just add a couple of tablespoons of oil and just stir it around evenly. So it's going to heat up real quickly. So what we're going to do here is the Spam. So here's the Spam. First. So it depends how brown you want it. So you can cook it longer if you want, or just stir fry it a little bit. And next ingredient is add onions. Nice stir frying, always very enjoyable to cook this, because it's easy and it can feed your family in no time. So after you see the little bit of browning on this, and you know it's ready, so you can just remove it and cook something else. So we have a really hot wok here, so we'll throw in the egg. Look at that. That's awesome. So I like to put this thing like that, and you see it's a little bit raw. So I like to add the rice here, add it in the middle. And that's how you cook it. Lower the fire a little bit, so the rice you can just cook like that. So the rice is pretty much pretty good. Looks awesome here. So we're gonna finish our final touches. So we're gonna put a little bit of sauce in there, the low sodium soy sauce. I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. It smells good. I wish you guys can smell it, because it's really good. Okay, here it is. So mix this really well, the fried rice. Okay, so the soy sauce is in there pretty good. So we finish our Spam and some onions we did before. Here it is. And stir fry it a little bit. And if you feel that one is too slow, maybe you can use two and stir it a bit quicker. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Am I cheating, you guys? Using two? So this rice doesn't look awesome. Alright. So the Spam's pretty much mixed in. So we wanted optional if you want some Maggi sauce, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit. And pepper, you just add a pinch of pepper, fresh ground pepper, or white pepper if you want, and just a pinch of salt. Depends how much salt you want on your rice. Just a little bit for me is good. Doesn't that look good? Okay, so it's time for the spring onions. So now the rice is good. I'm ready for the spring onions. So I'm just gonna turn off the heat so there's no more fire here. Okay. Doesn't that look good? So I'll just put the spring onions we did before. just one bunch of it, just a small one. Here it is. And just stir fry. Just mix it in like that. And you're ready to go. Eat Spam fried rice. So it's optional. You can add some sesame, toast sesame on top if you want, and if you don't want, it's fine. So I like it just a little bit. And let's go for the taste test. Spam fried rice. That's awesome. Well, all the fried rice here. Everybody's hungry, waiting around me, ready to just finish it right now. Because I'm holding it, I'm making my first ever video. So try it at home, comment below and see how it is at home. And thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. And Chef I walks with you. See you guys.